Hi, I'm Irene from teamirenefit.com, and today we're making a morning glowing green smoothie. It's organic, it helps you detoxify from the inside out, it helps you with weight loss, and it's going to give you so much energy. You literally can have this smoothie every single day, especially after a workout. There's no better way to boost your metabolism in the morning, and make sure that you stay until the very end of the video because I put a special ingredient in my morning green smoothie. It helps me with my skin, control snacking, and it's actually proven to help fight cancer. So stay until the end of the video so you can get this bonus tip. We're gonna do our special ingredient now, and it is chlorophyll. So you're gonna need one full droplet of our chlorophyll, and that is our special ingredient. And a little goes a long way with this. This whole dropper bottle should last you a while, and I use this in my water every single morning. Okay, so now it's time to blend our smoothie. Almost to the best part. You've got to give these a little shake. Woo. And there we have it. So I like to be fancy and put my smoothies in a special glass. You gotta do what you gotta do, especially if you're about to have a busy day. There we go. And that is it. So this is what you get. I know that it's so green that it looks a little intimidating, but I swear it's so yummy, it's so delicious. Even these special items like the amazing grass greens powder and the spirulina and our special chlorophyll ingredient, really, when you really add it up, the amount that you spend on your skincare products to get that glowy skin, to get rid of different things like pimples that pop up, and eating really bad foods and drinking things that don't give you any kind of benefits, it is so worth the investment. And time again, you're gonna get your investment over and over and over again. And down the road, if you're fighting any kind of weight loss struggles or health struggles, or you're fighting cancer, or you're somebody that just can't stop snacking, like no matter what your thing is, even if it's just that you want to be healthy or to have glowy skin, this smoothie is literally for everyone. It's so good, and I love to hear from you. I'm always posting about this smoothie on my Instagram, so if you are not following me on there, go and check me out. I would love to meet you. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because I always make videos to help you feel your best, to make you a better version of yourself, more healthy, more fit, and just feeling as beautiful as you are. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in our next video. Bye.